Director Matibag, total mahid kayong NBI pumunta dito sa Senado na walang imbitasyon. Ngayon kayong pumunta, iniimbitahan ko kayo ngayon. Tante, itong breaking news. Sabi ng Inquirer.net. Breaking, NBI Director Melvin Matibag has revealed that NBI received information that former Congressman Mike Defensor allegedly bribed the 18 ex-Marines 5 million to provide 5 million lang nakalagay, walang nakalagay each to provide testimony regarding the flood control anomalies. Matibag said the testimony came from an individual. An individual means one person. Kasi kung hindi, individuals dapat, unless it's grammar. With a direct relationship to one of the supposed 18 Marines. So that could be anyone in the world. Dahil 18 kayo, I'm sure you have a lot of friends. Pinangalanan si dating Congressman Mike Defensor na siya yung nag-offer ng halaga noong 5 million para maging testigo nga at lumabas mag-presscon, Matibag said. He added that the NBI has already issued a subpoena to Defensor to shed light on the allegations. I will not interrupt you now, Mr. Chairman. Mamaya, nandito na rin naman si ex-Congressman Defensor. It's time for him once again to use his last name and defend himself. Having said that, may I invite, with the permission of the chairman, Director Matibag, total mahilig kayong NBI pumunta dito sa Senado na walang imbitasyon. Ngayon kayong pumunta, iniimbitahan ko kayo ngayon, kasi kung yung impormasyon mo ay hindi verified, hindi naman marites ang pangalan mo. Ngayon, kung verified yung iyong impormasyon, ibig sabihin, bilang investigador, no, NBI, ibig sabihin, you have a reasonable ground to believe na yung nagsabi sa iyo ay totoo. Pumunta ka dito under oath at pagkakataon mo ngayon makaharap si Congressman Mike Defensor at yung 18. No? So itong hearing natin ay open. So if Senator Tito Soto or Senator Erwin Tulfo, ika nga ni Raffy Tulfo, kung ikaw ay matapang, pumunta ka dito. Pag ikaw naman pumunta dito, ikaw ay uto-uto. Pero open po itong hearing na to. But especially now to NBI Director Melvin Matibag. Pumunta ka dito, Director, kasi ako, interesado talaga ako kung nagsisinungaling itong 18 ito. Pati si Kumpanyero Tony Levy. Kasi napakalaking disservice to sa ating bansa. Kung gawa-gawa to or kung may dagdag bawas kayo sa testimony nyo. Pero napakabigat ng testimony nyo kung sasabihin nyo, ang pinakamalaking sindikato sa ating bansa ay mismong gobyerno. So one of the two has to be the truth. That's why, Director Matibag, hindi pa naman kami matatapos. Imbitado ka ngayon. Or kung sino yung agent mo na nagkwento sa'yo. Pumunta ka dito para harapan tayo, magkaalaman po tayo. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.